Welcome to my channel, Brain Boosters. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. First, to understand what Pringles and other stackable chips are, you have to develop a Zen detachment from the idea of potato chips coming from actual potatoes in any recognizable way. In fact, the Pringles company once argued that their high amount of processing and low potato content made Pringles technically not potato chips. Instead of shaving bits off of potatoes and deep frying them, the company starts with a slurry of rice, wheat corn, and potato flakes and presses them into shape. So these potato chips aren't really potatoes at all. The snack dough is then rolled out like a sheet of ultra-thin cookie dough and cut into chip cookies by a machine. The cut is complete enough that the chips are fully free of the extra dough, which is lifted away from the chips by a machine. The chips move forward on a conveyor belt until they're pressed onto molds, which give them the curve that makes them fit into one another. Those molds move through boiling oil and fry for a few seconds. Then they're blown dry, sprayed with powdered flavors, and at last, flipped onto a slower-moving conveyor belt in a way that allows them to stack. From then on, it's into the cans with usually a good inch of space at the top and off towards the innocent mouths of the consumers. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.